watching Kayla D, Caribbean queen. Kayla D, Caribbean queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real me. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean queen. Kayla D, Caribbean queen. Beauty.
Hey my loves, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm installing this wig that I just got from Wiggins Hair. This is everything that comes with your wig. This unit already comes pre-plucked for you. As you guys can see, the knots are bleached and the knots are so small on this. I love it. On the inside of your wig, it does have some combs and an extra elastic band. Look at the hairline on this wig, you guys. So beautiful. It looks super natural. Love that. And again, the knots are bleached, so it does give you like that skin-like look. And this is their dark brown body wave unit. I did get mine in a 24-inch. Also, this is their 13x4 HD lace frontal. To lay my wig down, I am using the Ebon Wanda Bond Sports Edition. This is my go-to right here. You guys know I'm not a big fan of glue unless I'm going like on vacation. That's the only how I would glue my units down. But other than that, I'm okay with just my lace spray, okay? I am not trying to lose my edges. I already messed up my hair with a perm, so we're not trying to do any more damage to my hair. I did go on with 2 layers of this spray before applying the lace into it. Once I feel like my lace is secured and it's dried, then I go ahead and cut off all that excess lace. And then I'm just going back in with my spray to touch up any areas that are still lifting or not fully glued down. And then once I spray the adhesive, I let it dry for a good minute or 2. And then I use the back of my edge brush and just like press it against my skin. And by doing this, once I notice that it's not sticking against the lace, that lets me know that I can go ahead and put on my melt band. Now to get rid of this white cast, I'm going in with my contour powder. I believe this contour powder is from Black Radiance. And I'm just going around the perimeter of my forehead and somewhat into the lace. And I'm just blending everything together just to get rid of that white shadow that you're seeing. Then I put on my melt band and let that sit while I style the rest of the hair. The wig does have quite a bit of flyaways, so I'm just using my wax stick to flatten all of that down and also flatten down the top of my wig. Once it's flat enough, then I go ahead and remove my melt band. It has been 5 minutes. And look at the hairline. Look how melted that is looking. You guys, it looks so bomb. Their lace is amazing. And the knot itself on the lace frontal is super tiny. So it looks really natural. And it looks like it's just coming straight up out of my skin, you guys. Like, it looks so good. Here I am going back in with some wax stick because the flyaways was getting to me. It was a little bit much, but again, nothing I can't handle. Then I'm just going in and combing out the curls. I'm using not a rat tail comb. This is a big teat comb. And I'm just combing out all the curls. Initially, I was thinking about recurling the entire unit, but I noticed after a while that I kind of didn't need to. I was really liking how it was looking like in its natural state. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna be lazy and not restyle it completely. Then I wanted a few pieces of the hair to like drop in my face. So I did cut some layers and then I kind of cut it into like a little curtain bang, but not completely. Yeah, so I just added some layers and then I went in with some concealer just to lighten that part in space. And then I had to add some more layers. Well, this time I used my scissors and I don't know, my scissors was super dull. So I had to go back in with my razor, which did a much better job. I do suggest using a razor to cut your layers. And voila, you guys, I am obsessed. This hair is so beautiful. The color is such a rich brown color. I love it. And I also feel like because of my bright lights, it looks a lot more brassy and shiny on camera compared to in real life. So yeah, it's not that shiny in person, but the hair is just so beautiful, you guys. And also once I was finished like combing it out completely, initially to comb out the curls I was getting some tangles, but after I combed it out and like all the curls were like loose, the hair is so soft, you guys. Like I could run my fingers through with no problem. Also the shedding on this hair is very minimal. To be honest, I barely gotten any shedding since I combed it out, and I've been running my fingers through this hair like crazy. As you guys can see, like I cannot stop touching this hair. That is how soft it is. Yeah, the hair is just beautiful. Again, I got this hair in a 24-inch. It is shoulder length because once I do stretch the hair, it goes past my belly button, so the hair is pretty long. Hair quality, definitely a 10 out of 10. I just hate that it has so many flyaways. That's the only thing that's like really bothering me about the wig. But besides the flyaways, everything else is a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, the hair is amazing, the quality is amazing. The lace, I really love how flat it laid and how it looks like skin. Like I said, they did bleach a knot, so it's definitely giving that skin-like look, and I absolutely love that. I prefer a natural look, to be honest, so that is also why I did not add any baby hairs to this unit. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the hair. How are you feeling it? I do have a discount code for you guys that will be listed in the description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. If you have made it this far, I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.